Once upon a time, there lived a woman. Her name was Gautami. Gautami was a young woman from a prosperous family. She was happily married to a wealthy man. One day, her only little child died. After losing her only child, Gautami was stricken with immense grief. Her heart was totally broken. She became desperate and asked if anyone could help her. Her sorrow was so great that many thought she had lost her mind. She got almost insane and went around with her child's dead body and asking people, "Is there any physician anywhere who can make my child alive again? Please tell me." It happened that Buddha was coming to that town. One of the villagers said to her, "I don't know any physician, but Buddha is coming to our village. Buddha is an enlightened being. It is a great chance. You take your child to Buddha and ask him to help you. Maybe he can make your son live again." So she went to Buddha with her dead child in her arms. She put dead body of her child at Buddha's feet and said, "Please call him back to life. You know all secrets of life. You have attained enlightenment. Can't you do a small miracle for a poor woman?" Buddha listened to her with patience and compassion. Then he said, Gautami, I have a way to bring your son back to life." She said, "My lord, I will do anything to bring my son back." Buddha said, "If that is the case, then I need you to find me something. Bring me some mustard seeds and I will help you." Gautami agreed and turned to the village to collect seeds. As she was going to move, Buddha stopped her and said, "Remember, you only have to get seeds from a house where no one has ever died." Gautami eagerly and happily agreed and rushed towards village to collect mustard seeds. At the first house, she asked for mustard seeds. She got seeds easily, but as she was going to turn back, she remembered that Buddha said it must be from a house where no one has ever died. She asked this question to the woman at the doorstep, but she told her that her husband's father had died just last week. "Oh, then I cannot use these seeds," Kissa said and moved further. So she went to the next house. She got a reply that a grandfather had died there. She moved to the next house. A little girl had died there due to an illness. She went to the next and on to the next, and it continued. She got similar answers from every house. She could not find any house where there have never been any death. Towards evening, when she was tired and hopeless, suddenly she realized that Buddha was trying to teach her something. She had come to the understanding that death is destiny of all people. No one can escape from it. She took her baby to the cremation ground and then returned to Buddha. Buddha asked her, "Where are mustard seeds?" Gautami smiled and said, "You have tricked me. There is no family, not in this village, nor in the whole world, where nobody has died. Everybody who is born is going to die one day." Her words were filled with light of wisdom. She said, "I understand now that suffering is a part of life and death comes to us all. I don't want my son back to life again. Please initiate me into the art of meditation so that I can go into the land, the space of immortality, where birth and death have never happened." Buddha said, "Now you have understand that suffering is part of life and death is inevitable. One day it will come to us all. Now you are ready to be initiated." And it is said that at that time, Buddha initiated her into the art of meditation, and she became one of the enlightened ones among Buddha's disciples. We see in our life, people are so easily grief-stricken by adversity in their lives, but they forget that no house, no person in this world is without sadness or love. Sorrow, sadness, happiness, and love are always going to be part of our lives. We need to remember to practice peace and patience so that we are able to guide our lives and not be led by these passing emotions. This is Words of Wisdom Stories. Thanks for watching.